Hey guys, so I know that this could take a lot of time fighting about Samsung and Apple, fighting about which is better, Face ID or iris scanner, but if you combine the both, I think the discussion will be over. This new feature is called Intelligent Scan and this could be in the Galaxy S9. It combines the both facial recognition and iris scanner and provides you a really secure method to get into your phone. This video shows us how the Intelligent Scan will work, and it will work in both low light and daylight scenarios. This whole thing was found in the beta Android Oreo update of the Galaxy Note 8, and if we talk about the Face Unlock of S8 and Note 8, in its own it's not quite as secure. On the other hand, the iris scanner is really secure, and I think that it's even better than the Face ID of the iPhone 10. Okay, so I don't have much new stuff to talk about right now, so let's talk about iris scanner versus Face ID. And I might be wrong in one or two scenarios, so don't smash me in the comments. So let's assume that you are some kind of detective and you have my iPhone 10 and you really wanna open it. So to do so you will need some very high quality images of me from different angles, and you can take those images easily by standing 10 meters away from me. It might be a little difficult, but it's doable. After that you can convert those images into 3D form, and with a good 3D printer you can make my 3D face, and then you can easily get into my iPhone 10. On the other hand, if you wanna get into my Galaxy S8 using iris scanner, then you will need my eye, and obviously you can't get my eye. The other option is that you will need very high quality image of my iris. And to get those images, you have to place your camera 10 to 15 cm away from my eye, and I think if you place your camera so much closer to my face, there's no way you can do it without letting me know. So technically, I think the iris scanner is a little bit more secure than the Face ID. Well, for a common person, no one will go so far, so Face ID and iris scanner both are equally secure. But if someone really wanna take this game to a whole new level, iris scanner will be a bigger pain in ass as compared to the Face ID. So yeah guys, that's my thinking about the Face ID versus iris scanner. Again, some of my thoughts may be incorrect, most of it is correct. Let me know what you guys think is much more secure, iris scanner or Face ID. As you can guess it by now, I am in favor of iris scanner. Subscribe for more videos like this, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace out.